Today we are opening a pack of Magic the Gathering cards, and I have a few of these packs already, but this pack I haven't had any from before. This one is the Zendikar Rising, which I am sure I'm butchering the name, but yeah, and so let me know in the comments what your favorite card is, either from this pack I'm opening today or just in general. Let's get started. Ooh, some cool art card. This one is Anti-Cognition Art Series, 46 out of 81. Got some pretty cool details. I like it. Then we have the Island, which is basic land. It's pretty. It'd be pretty to live there. Marasa Brute, Creature, Troll Warrior. Synchronized Spellcraft. Sounds pretty cool. Sizzling Barrage. We have the Tuk Tuk Rubble Fort, which, if you haven't already seen the movie Raya and the Last Dragon, there's a character in it called Tuk Tuk, so that's just kind of the first thing that comes to my mind. There's a Relic Axe. There's Kargan Warleader. He's a creature human warrior. Oh, and it looks like some of these have stuff written on there too. So the Relic Axe is artifact equipment. The Tuk Tuk Rubble Fort is apparently a creature wall. You've got the Akum Warrior, creature Minotaur Warrior. Which, it also says, I'm not cruel, but I have no patience for your mistakes. Which, I mean, I'm sure a few people at least can agree with that, relate to that. Creature Human Rogue, the Zula Port Duelist. Expedition Healer, Creature Core Cleric. Seems like we're getting a lot of creatures in this pack, which, I mean, this one, though, could come in good handy. Legion Angel, another creature. Angel Warrior. Then we have another Zulaport Duelist, but this one is a more holographic, I want to say. And then it's just... Oh! Okay, Core Warrior Token Creature, Core Warrior. I'm not sure exactly what that means. I don't know if I've had any cards like this before. But yeah. I mean, I think they're pretty cool. And at some point I do plan on learning how to play the game. It's just right now I'm more collecting the cards. And I also will collect Pokemon cards, Yu-Gi-Oh cards. I've got a few Garbage Pail Kids cards. Just little things like that. And honestly, it is pretty cool when they come with these little art cards. It's cool seeing the detail and everything, and just how the artist decided to portray the particular card, the particular style. I think it's just a neat little addition to it. So, yeah. That's that, and it's for ages 13 up. So, if you're wanting to check it out. This pack I got from the Gamer's Den, which is a little shop in town. They sell dice, board games, puzzles, all kinds of different cards, card games, just all kinds of cool, amazing stuff. Definitely check that out if you're ever in the Minnesota area. Otherwise, you can find them at Walmart, Target, probably Walgreens. I haven't been there in a bit. But you can find them just about anywhere, and sometimes even in some gas stations. Plus, the art for it itself is pretty neat, in my opinion. So yeah, definitely go check that out. Thanks for hanging in there with me, and hope to see you again soon. Bye!